Attention all aspiring online entrepreneurs. Are you ready to discover the secrets of a YouTube channel that's raking in a mind-blowing $16,000 every month? Get ready to unlock the power of automated short videos and witness the incredible results for yourself. Picture this, a channel generating massive revenue from their AdSense, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. According to the data from NoX Influencers and Social Blade, this channel has the potential to earn hundreds of thousands through sponsorships and more. Are you curious to see how they do it? Let's dive into their latest video and uncover their winning formula.
This animal has the fastest and most accurate tongue in nature. But not only that, they can also change their color.
Prepare to be amazed. This channel captivates their audience by revealing mind-boggling facts about animals. But here's the exciting part. You can create equally engaging content for your own channel. Stay tuned as we guide you step by step through the process of making compelling videos that will keep your viewers hooked. So are you ready to learn the secrets behind crafting captivating videos that can make you money online? Let's get started on your journey to success. But before that, hit that subscribe button below. Step 1. Unleash the power of ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and enter the name of any interesting animal. Let's say for example a majestic tiger. Step 2. Watch as ChatGPT generates 30 to 50 words filled with fascinating facts about your chosen animal. You can even make it longer if you prefer. Copy the generated text to your clipboard. Step 3. Visit Play.ht by clicking the link in the description. If you have an account, simply log in. If not, click Create Free AI Voiceover and enter your details or sign up with Google just like how I did. Step 4. Welcome to Play.ht audio creation page. Click on Create Audio and choose the Ultra Realistic option. Step 5. Paste your script into the text box and choose your preferred voice. Play around with various options from gender and accent to age and tempo until you find the perfect voice for your video. I will go with the delightful voice of Cooper. Step 6. Customize your voice even further by adjusting the speed if necessary. For now, I will stick with the default normal speed. Step 7. Click Generate Preview and patiently wait a few seconds for the magic to happen. Step 8. Take a moment to listen to the preview.
The tiger is a majestic and powerful big cat species known for its distinctive orange fur with black stripes.
If you're not fully satisfied, you can make adjustments or even try a different voice. But when you're happy with the results, it's time to move on. Step 9. Click Download to save your audio file. Don't worry, it's in a WAV format and fully supported for our next step. Step 10. Open Canva, the ultimate tool for creating captivating visuals. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. In the search bar, type YouTube Shorts and select it to begin creating your masterpiece. Step 11. On the left sidebar, click Upload and upload the WAV file you just downloaded. Hold on to it and drag it onto your work area. Step 12. If your audio file is compressed, no worries. Click on the white blank page and drag it to match the audio's length. Now find the perfect visuals to complement your content. Step 13. Search for copyright-free visuals on websites like Pexels. I will use Pexels for this example. Select the photos that you find relevant, and here's a tip. You don't have to download the photos. Simply hold on to the photo and drag and drop it onto Canva's website. Step 14. Find the perfect video clips to enhance your video. Remember, you will need to download and upload them manually, but don't worry, it only takes seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 15. Add video clips to your project by clicking Add Page and adjust them to your liking. Rearrange the pages as needed for a seamless flow. Step 16. Ensure your video has its original sound muted. Click on the volume button and set it to 0. Now head back to Pexels to find more photos and videos that match the length of your audio. Step 17. Choose more photos and videos from Pexels, and for each image, right click or press more and select Set Image as Background. Repeat this step for all visuals you want to include. Step 18. Let's add some background music to the overall experience. Open YouTube Studio, navigate to the audio library and browse through the wide range of tracks available for free. Step 19. Filter the audio library to find the perfect track. For example, you can choose the general category and check ambient. Listen and search for the track that resonates with your video. Once you find it, click Download to save a copy. Step 20. Return to Canva, drag and drop the downloaded music onto your project and adjust its position to synchronize it with the rest of the elements. Step 21. Now it's time to take a look at what we have created so far.
The tiger is a majestic and powerful big cat species known for for its distinctive orange fur with black stripes.
With stunning visuals and an engaging voiceover, your video is ready to shine. Step 22. Download your completed video and admire your great work. But hold on, there's one more crucial step to make your video accessible and engaging for a wider audience. Step 23. Visit Veed.io, a powerful tool that provides auto-generated subtitles for your videos. To create a new video project, upload your video file and select the auto subtitle option. Step 24. Let Veed.io work its magic and generate subtitles for your video. Play it back to ensure accuracy. If you want, you can customize the subtitle style by choosing a preset or selecting your own font size, colors, animations, and many more things. Step 25. Playback your video with subtitles and make necessary adjustments to ensure perfect synchronization and readability. Step 26. Once you are satisfied with the outcome, click Done and export your video. Wait a few seconds for the file to process, then download it in MP4. Step 27. Now let's compare your video to the concept video.
This animal has the fastest and most accurate tongue in nature.
The tiger is a majestic and powerful big cat species known for its distinctive orange fur with black stripes.
Look at the stunning visuals, the engaging voiceover, and the added subtitles. Your video is now ready to captivate your audience and generate you income. Step 28. It's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Upload your video to your YouTube channel and watch as it attracts views, engagements, and potential monetization opportunities. Step 29. Remember to encourage your viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Building a loyal audience is essential for long-term success. Step 30. Congratulations on creating an engaging and profitable video for your YouTube channel. I hope you found this tutorial really helpful. If you want to learn more about making money online for free, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Remember, it's not just about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. Keep creating, keep innovating, and keep growing your online presence. The sky is the literal limit. Thank you for watching and joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep making money online with Sarvesh. Cheers.